Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi in Roblox. Start by planning your sushi menu and deciding which ingredients you want players to collect. Next, create simple ingredient objects and use event scripting to combine them into plates. Design a user interface for orders and timers so customers can request specific roles. Finally, test interaction, tweak spawn rates, and observe player behavior to improve flow and fun. To build realistic sushi, first model small ingredient assets with consistent proportions and clear textures. Place invisible attachment points on plates so rice, fish, and seaweed snap together naturally when combined. Use simple scripts to check ingredient tags and then replace individual pieces with a completed sushi model. Add sound effects for cutting and plating to make crafting satisfying, and adjust spawn timing to balance challenge and player engagement. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: a great book about money called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about pricing and managing in-game earnings, and it pairs surprisingly well with game design decisions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Set up an order system that generates random customer requests and displays them on screen with timers. Use remote events so clients send ingredient actions to the server, and let the server validate combinations before awarding currency or points. Provide feedback like green check marks or red flashes for correct or incorrect plates. Include increasing difficulty tiers and occasional special orders to keep players coming back for more engaging gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.